Hello, this is Christian Parenting TV. Today we'll be looking at the two sides of a child's nature: the assets, the plus, the liability, the minus, the sides we celebrate, the plus, the side we wish to hide from the public, the minus. Understanding this will help us parent effectively. You see, human beings are like a coin. They have two sides. The first side of our human nature is our inborn strength, which we refer to as inherited assets. This is the aspect of our lives we feel proud of and are happy with. The second side of our human nature is our inborn weaknesses, which we refer to as inherited liabilities. This is the aspect of our lives we dislike, struggle with, often wish to hide. The first side involves area of our natural abilities, while the second side involves area of our struggle. This also applies to our children. There are aspects of our children's life we like, and there are aspects of our children's life we dislike. This obviously shows that children, like adults, both have inherited assets and inherited liability in their human nature. If we don't study and understand a child's inborn strength, inherited assets, and inborn weakness, inherited liability, we are going to have a tough time parenting them. For a deeper understanding and application of this subject in parenting, let's look at it from these two angles. First, the inherited assets of parenting. Second,